Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in Sonic Rumble. To change your name in Sonic Rumble is easier. First of all, launch open the Sonic Rumble game on your device, and once you're inside the home page, after logging in, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner, and in the pop-up, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, go ahead and tap on Player Name Setting button, and then click on Change on the next page where it says Change Player Name. Now, go ahead and enter a new name you want to change to for yourself, and once done, you can tap on the OK button. Click on Yes, but remember that you cannot change your player name again for a week after making this change. If you are okay with that, click on Yes and you will then be able to change your player name in Sonic Rumble. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.